Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and they are looking good activities. They're playing well. Oh, this is frog. This little frog. Come. Oh, this is a little frog. They are playing well. It's beautiful scenery. Oh, this little frog. This want to give a big jump. Oh yes, this shelter on the stone. There. Oh, it's looking good, mashallah. Playing well. Beautiful scenery, beautiful scenery. I want to watch you. Colorful fish. Oh. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. You're looking good, playing well. Yes. This is cute, cute, so cute. White fish are playing well. This big one, two. My hand, our eyes. It's looking good, mashallah, playing well. Beautiful scenery. I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe my channel. There is some colorful fish looking good, exciting. This video will be very exciting. Oh yes, mashallah, mashallah. This one looking good, mashallah, playing well. This one, wow, looking good, playing well. They're playing spontaneously. Oh, this. Oh yes. I hope you enjoy. Oh. Oh yes. Oh. Oh. This is little frog playing. Hey, one. Catch here. Hey, come on. Oh yes. This is cultivation of frog. They are playing well. This is new place, playing well. Oh yes. Here and they are playing well. Beautiful scenery. Looking good. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next video. Allah Bye bye. Take care.